Hello everyone, good evening. So we were solving the questions from BSDS sample paper 2024. We have done till question 13 and now it's the time to solve question 14. So how do you solve question 14? Now question 14 is based on permutations and you just need to know the basics of constructing strings as we learned in 11th and 12th. Alright, so what is the word given? The letters of the word admission are randomly permuted. Alright, so how many letters are there in that complete word? Admission, right? So I have 4 and 5 letters. So admission has 5 letters, right? So permutations, oh I'm sorry, it has 9 letters, right? I counted 4 and 5, so 9 letters. Permutations will be 9 factorial, but I and S repeat twice each. So total permutations would then become 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So since I and S repeat, now the position of those can be interchanged, right? So the same logic will hold for I as well as S. Now for the word medicine, right? Now the probability of obtaining this word will be exactly one time, right? Because these letters will occur in this sequence only once, but again here this core I, S, S and I, they repeat. So number of chances, the chance of this string occurring is actually 1, right? But since I's and S's can be interchanged, so then we will have 2 more chances, right, for I as well as S, right? So there are 4 total chances of this word occurring from the permutations. I hope you understood. The logic is the words will be, the letters will be in this sequence only once, right? But since there is a repetition, those repetitions have to be valued. All right, so which I is getting before S in the first formation of this word is not known. There are 2 I's and 2 S's, so which S is which one is S1, which is S2, which one is I1, which one is S2, we don't have any idea about. So that is why we take care of the permutations and we have a total of 4 copies of this. So therefore probability would be, this would be 1 into 2 into 2 divided by 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now these are just 2's, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, therefore 2 to the power 4 by 9 factorial, which is 16 by 9 factorial. Now this occurs in option C, right? Again, this question was pretty easy. You just had to understand the logic of how you get the word medicine from the word admission, right? And you also had to understand that those particular sequence that is intended will occur only once, but then there are repetitions there, so we have to take care of them via the adjustment. All right, we don't know which of the I's is which one. There are 2 of them. Same thing with the S's. Right? So for admission, we first calculate the total number of permutations, then divided by the repetitions to get the value of the number of unique words that can be found out. And now we take one such word and analyze how many times it can occur. Divide the 2, you will get your answer. Okay, so usually some sort of permutation combination are a bit complicated in these type of exams, but well, someone got lucky and this question was quite easy. Okay, so please make sure that you solve these easy questions and I will see you all in question 15. Okay.